Hey guys, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to burn a CD. Make sure you inserted your CD. So first you want to go to this website and download the latest version of CD Burner XP. When you finish downloading the program and open it, you want to select the audio disc option, and then press OK. Now you can see it's checking for a CD. And then it says CDR empty. So it has detected my CD. Then drag and drop the songs you want down below. CDR means the CD can only be written once, so make sure you don't make any mistakes. If it's CDRW, then you're able to rewrite it multiple times. Make sure your songs do not go above the red line. If they do, you're gonna have to remove some. Then when you're ready, press the burn button. It might take a little time to load, so don't be scared if it looks like nothing happened. Here you're able to customize the transitions between songs. I don't want any, so I'm just gonna push no. Now press burn disk. Note, this process may take more than 10 minutes. So now the CD is finished. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing for future tutorials.